The purpose of this broadcast is to inform residents of the following counties about the current conditions of their surrounding area. The following counties included are Ponyville, Dover Free Forest, Lightville, Hart Oak, and the Crystal Empire. After an incident at N.A.D.O labs, certain test subjects have escaped into the wild. If you happen to see any of these test subjects on the screen, do not approach them on your own. Contact authorities and let them handle them accordingly. We strongly encourage residents of the aforementioned counties to not enter any nearby woodland areas, for fear that one of the test subjects may be residing in them, for we do not have any current knowledge of any of their locations. This has been a public service broadcast by the United Equestrian Services.